my name is Brad Siff. I'm the founder and president of BioWave. This is a video on unboxing the BioWaveHOME prescription unit. In this box comes the unit, which is in a plastic bag. The cable, which attaches to the unit and also attaches to the electrodes. The AC charger, which plugs into the unit to charge up the battery. And also included is the quick reference guide, the BioWaveHOME user's manual, and a BioWaveHOME travel bag. Once you pull the BioWaveHOME unit out of the box, the first thing you need to do is to charge up the battery. The AC charger, this end of the AC charger, plugs into the port on this side of the unit. It plugs straight in here, so like this, and the other end of the charger plugs into a standard wall outlet. It will take about 4.5 hours to charge up this unit from empty. However, most units come with a partial charge on them, so it may be a shorter period of time for you to charge it up to full. That's the first thing that you do. Once the unit is charged up, next we're going to get this set up so you can start your treatment. So the first thing you do is we're going to connect the single end of the cable into the top of the unit. If you're looking at the back side of the unit, this is like an Ethernet style connector. The little prong will stick up and face you, and this gets inserted into this location at the top of the unit. You push and it clicks in place, so the cable is firmly in the unit. So the cable actually is coming out of the top of the unit when you're looking at it. The next thing we're going to do is plug the electrodes into the other end of the cable. This is your standard set of electrodes that you may receive with the unit. It's in a sealed bag, and we will open this up. And these are the two electrodes. These two connectors can plug into either of the two connectors on the cable. So either one can plug into either end. And the orientation of this connector can be in either direction. It can be like this, or it can be like that. It doesn't make a difference. You do not need to squeeze the prongs on this connector. All you have to do is push, and this clicks in place. It purposely sticks out this far, so when you're done, you have something to grab onto, and you just pull straight apart to remove the connectors from each other. So to plug these in, you're just going to plug one into one. You're going to plug the other one into the other one, and basically you are all set now to place the pads on your body. Each electrode goes over a location of pain, and you first have to determine what the appropriate locations of pain are. Once that's done, then you need to clean your skin thoroughly.